Hi folks, Mark here, Views from Mark. As always, I hope you're keeping safe, healthy and are well. You join me from a busy central London. It is Wednesday the 13th of November and Burlington Arcade are having their traditional Christmas lights switch on this evening, which I'm very lucky they've invited me to. It's an invitation only event and as I approach the arcade I can see that preparations are well underway. Promises to be a fantastic evening. If I spin around you'll get a view of what we have going on here. So as I say, preparations still underway, but there is a fantastic Christmas display that is now running the entire length of the arcade. Promises to be a fantastic festive evening. For this evening I have gone for some classic Peel. I've got this cream or ivory turtleneck which is from their 007 line, from the homage to the turtleneck that Sir Roger wears in Moonraker in the pre-title sequence, and also this Nehru jacket that is keeping me toasty warm. On my head I've gone for this Lock & Co Baker's Boy cap. It's called the 60, it's the limited edition. So going for this as kind of my ensemble look, and on the wrist today we have the Spectre limited edition. So that's what I'm going to be wearing for tonight's event here at Burlington Arcade. I'm going to be bringing you as much coverage from the evening as I can, so stay tuned for that. Right folks, so I have arranged to get some early access to Burlington Arcade before tonight's festivities kick off. As you can see behind me, there are preparations underway. The arcade is looking absolutely incredible. There's full wait staff, we've got champagne, the doors are about to open. So big thank you to Burlington Arcade for allowing me this kind of early access before the floodgates open. Promises to be an amazing evening. I've seen the schedule of events that are coming up and it's going to be something really very memorable. Perfect way to see in the festive season, with a glass of champagne, some nibbles I'm sure, some great company, so let's enjoy. So folks, to give you an overview of what was taking place, as you can see the arcade looked absolutely incredible. They've gone for real Christmas trees again this year that go throughout the length of the arcade. The Beatles were on fine form, looking fantastic for the evening's event. There was a new carpet that also runs the full length of the arcade in this burgundy maroon colour, looking absolutely incredible, and even the 007 store was looking quite festive with those wreaths in the window. Now you'll see some people dancing past me here. This was part of a flash mob of dancers and singers that were going to be entertaining guests throughout the evening. So rather than having one specific point in the arcade where there would be speeches and the switch on of the lights that could get quite congested, they went for these flash mob dancers and singers that would do entertaining pieces throughout the evening, throughout the entire length of the arcade. As you can see, they were doing a fantastic job warming up, and it wouldn't be a party without some libations, some Christmas drinks. So we had of course champagne, cocktails, other kind of aperitifs, as well as canapés and nibbles throughout the evening. So the wait staff that they had on hand for the evening were all fantastic. In fact, all the staff, everyone that worked behind the scenes to pull this event together is absolutely incredible. So I can't thank them enough for their efforts. Shortly after 7, the doors opened, and as you can see, people started to enter the arcade for the celebration of 'Tis the Season. So folks, that is the end of the festivities here at Burlington Arcade. As you can see, things are thinning out now, but it has been a wonderful evening. Plenty of champagne, canapés, drinks, wonderful people, wonderful atmosphere, great music, great singers. It really has been top-notch throughout. So it has kicked off the festive season perfectly. Big thank you to Burlington Arcade, to all of the staff here, the wonderful team that work behind the scenes to put this all together. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, do consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell notification so you get a notice whenever I post something new. Yeah, it's been a wonderful evening. Until the next time, as always, stay safe, stay healthy, stay well, and I'll catch you all very soon. Bye for now.